Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on the Morphe x Saweetie collaboration. So getting straight into it, I'm going to be using the shade Max Volume with a Morphe 433 brush, and I'm just going to be placing that all over my lid. And I'm going to start off with like a pretty light application and then just dipping into the palette and blending out some more until I really build up the color to how vibrant I want it. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to be taking a clean brush and just blending out and diffusing the color. Next, I'm going to be taking the shade Major Inspo, and I'm going to be using a M513 also from Morphe. And I'm just kind of placing this on the outer corner of my crease and trying to build it up as much as I can without it getting too patchy. It was a little patchy, so I was having a little bit of trouble, but not too bad. And I'm trying not to blend it all the way to the inner corner because I want to kind of concentrate it right at the edge. Now I'm going to be cutting my crease with a flat brush and the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I'm just going to be looking up really quick, and it gives me like a good guideline as to where my cut crease should end, because sometimes I go a little ham and do a little too much. So thank God this one ended up decently, because I've only done a cut crease probably like 3 times, and one of those times was a complete train wreck. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out following the line that I did. Now using the Secret Set Silk Topper, I'm going to be placing that right on top of my concealer, and I recommend probably setting the concealer before with like translucent powder because mine did end up creasing a little bit on my left eye. And now I'm just taking the shade Stage Persona, and I'm going to be using that in a Coastal Scents SO8 brush and blending out where the 2 shades on my lid meet. This step is definitely really important, so take your time blending until you don't see a harsh line between the cut crease color and the outer corner color. So now I'm going to be taking the shade Major Inspo on a angled shadow brush, and I'm going to be taking that right on the corner and creating that deep V angular shape on the edge of my eyeshadow. So I'm kind of taking the brush and dragging it down in a diagonal motion and then blending out. I want to place this more of a diagonal and less of a super blended out like circular motion like you'd usually do, because it adds more to the dramatic and winged out effect. I'm also going to be dragging that same color down with a Jeffree Star JS13 brush, and I'm going to be adding some of the Max Volume shade as well and giving it that like pink purple smoky effect on the lower lash line. Using the same brush and the shade Secret Set, I'm going to be running that on the inner about fourth of my lower lash line and also highlighting my inner corner. Alright, so now that we're all done with that, I'm going to pop on some lashes, ta-da, and start applying my lipstick, which is ColourPop's Lippy Stick in Lumiere. And now to top that off, I'm just going to be using Jeffree Star's lip gloss in the shade Candy Drip just on the center of my lips. So that wraps up the look. All other product details are going to be in the description, and I'll see you guys next time.